Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about turtle shells.
Turtle shells are incredibly hard, aren't they?
Well, turtles are believed to have acquired their shells as part of the evolutionary process.
I wonder if they use it to defend themselves from predators like a shield.
Actually, it's believed that there are scientific factors that affect the survival of turtles.
I want to know more details.
Alright, then in this video, let's introduce two scientific hypotheses about the role of a turtle shell from a scientific perspective.
Counting on you!
First, let's talk about turtle shells. Turtle shells play a crucial role in maintaining their skeletal structure.
I wonder if the shell supports the turtle's body like bones do.
Yeah, it does. The turtle shell also serves as their ribs, spine, vertebrae, and sternum.
Indeed, the turtle's shell serves the same purpose as the skeletal structure in humans.
Just like how you can't separate bones and muscles, the turtle's shell and body are integrated as one.
What other roles does a turtle shell have?
All right, let's dive right into the main topic and learn about the roles of a turtle shell.
Didn't you mention there were two hypotheses from a scientific perspective?
That's right. It's believed that shells are utilized for defense and metabolism.
I understand the concept of defense, but what exactly is metabolism?
All right, let's learn together step by step. First, let's think about defense, as everyone knows.
The shell of a turtle is so hard. It could be used like a shield to protect oneself from natural enemy.
Well, you see, a turtle shell is made up of ribs, which are bones that are attached to the spine and spread out like a plate.
I see. So it's not that the turtle is inside the shell, but rather the shell is also a part of the turtle.
You're right. The shell is the turtle's actual bone. That's why it's so hard.
So, turtles use the hardness of their shell to protect themselves from predators, don't they?
That's right. Ages ago, the ancestors of turtles had a skeletal structure without a shell, much like a lizard.
This is the first time I've heard of this.
In the process of evolution, the auxiliary bone expanded and it became a creature with a shell. And turtles, instead of running from predators, developed the ability to defend themselves by tucking their head and limbs into their hard shell.
So I wonder if turtles were more agile before they acquired their shell.
I wonder how it was. However, it's true that modern turtles seem to move slowly, perhaps due to a decreased need for escape.
By the way, I've seen a video where birds of prey drop down from the sky to prey on turtles hiding inside their shells.
So hiding inside the shell isn't a foolproof choice, is it? However, it's certain that turtles have evolved to acquire their shells and are still breeding successfully today.
Using the shell for defense is truly a unique survival strategy.
Next, let's delve into the metabolism of turtles.
What was metabolism again?
Metabolism is the process where living organisms take in nutrients and produce energy in their bodies.
I see. So basically, organisms with active metabolism consume a lot of energy, right?
That's right. They need a lot of energy to maintain body temperature and for movement.
Since turtles move slowly, they require less energy, which is sufficient for them.
Hey, you're right. Turtles efficiently utilize energy, which is why they tend to live longer.
It's been found that the slow metabolism of turtles is related to their slow movement. I wonder how the slow metabolism and the shell of a turtle are connected.
Since turtles are ectothermic animals, their body temperature is greatly influenced by the environmental conditions of their habitat. However, their shells help regulate their metabolism by absorbing heat from direct sunlight and preventing the evaporation of internal moisture.
I see. Utilizing the shell to maintain a constant body temperature makes perfect sense. I've grasped how turtles utilize their shells now.
Oh, I just remembered an interesting turtle trivia. Can I share it?
Of course.
Did you know there's a turtle that breathes through its butt?
Huh, breathes through its butt. What do you mean?
Actually, some turtles have a special way of getting oxygen underwater called cloacal respiration.
The cloaca is the rear end, where they excrete waste and lay eggs, right?
Oh, I see. It seems like the turtles, especially those living in the rivers, are going there.
I see. But why would it be necessary to breathe through the butt in the first place?
Well, it's useful when it's dangerous to come to the surface of the water. For example, when you want to hide from predators or when the current is strong and surfacing would sweep you away.
So that's why they can stay hidden underwater for so long. Indeed, turtles are quite peculiar creatures.
Let's reflect on today's learning.
There were two scientific hypotheses about the role of a turtle's shell from a scientific perspective.
It's utilized for defense and our metabolism, By hiding within their hard shells, turtles endure the harshness of the natural world.
I was surprised to learn that a turtle's shell is actually part of its skeleton.
Yeah, the second one is how the slow metabolism of a turtle maintains a constant body temperature.
Right, a slow-moving turtle has a low metabolism, and being an ectotherm, its body temperature easily changes.
Opinate. The shell absorbs heat and adapts by preventing the evaporation of body moisture.
It was enjoyable to unravel the everyday events from a scientific perspective today.
Let's continue learning together about things that pique our interest and questions we have in our daily lives.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Well then, see you later. Bye-bye.